Hi, I'm Politol from Politol.com, and I'm gonna show you today that Treasure World Island, World of Treasure Island World works for Mac. Mm, I'm gonna show you how to do the installation process because you need to do some additional steps, which is always good to see with your own eyes instead of or reading it. So it's seeing it tells much more than writing. So I'm gonna show you quickly how to do that. First of all, this is PottingKit. It's an amazing app. Um, you can get it from the PottingKit.com freely, no charge. So get that first. Um, if you downloaded the PottingKit from the PottingKit.com website, you can open it. It's this application. They go to the library tab and then the server tab. See here, if you search for treasure, you'll see this item. You see already the imported instructions. Click on, if you don't own the game yet, you can get it from G2G.com. Treasure Adventure World. Use the links. Click on Treasure World. See here. You can purchase it here. And then from your library tab, you can download the file. So in your case, you go here and then download a setup file, which is 1.2 gigs. Download it into your download folder, and then you can start the installation. And you can click install now, click on next, install. Installation will take a little bit. It's a really nice game, but it needs a few extra steps. I hope to make them not necessary anymore soon, but in the meantime you should do this manually. Somehow I don't get this working properly, most likely because the game needs to be started and crashed for the first time before adding a fix. So that's why this video makes it a bit more easy to understand how to fix it. You see it's all in Dutch, but you have it in your language. With left filters, You have to click next, next, next. Again, deselect this one, next, next, install, finish. Okay, yes, install. This will install the game. Need to remember that with all GOG.com games, you need to exit the installation first before playing the game, because when the install is finished, you have in the GOG.com installers, you have the option to launch the game instantly. But for the porting kit process, installation process, this is um, you have it's required to not do that, because if you do that, then the installation process won't exit properly. So you do need to exit it first, so that the installation wizard of PortingKit can exit properly. Otherwise, the registry settings will not be set, and main exit would not be set. So don't click launch, but click exit. So, and now you will see that it will close successfully. Um, so, well, as you can see here, it's now installed on your local tab. What you have to be done now is you have to launch it. As you can see, it is step 1. Escape to skip this stuff. Then a display, I will do the bloom off. Well, it's not necessary, but for the speed it's always good. Go to back to the main menu, we'll see it's full screen. Then I will gonna play. Then you will notice if I click start the game, this will give an error message. Well, you press enter, enter, and this will I'll give it more error messages. So I say command Q to exit the game, you'll see that it will exit. Then I click more, and then I go to the OneSkin tools, and I go to the install Winetricks, and then I double click on the Quartz, and then the Winetricks Quartz will be there. And then you click on install, you'll say yes, I want to install it, and then it will install the trick. And when it's done successfully, you click done, then you click finish, then you click more again, go to Wineskin tools, and then to the wine configuration, and then you go to the library tab, and then you're gonna delete the quartz again. Yeah, it's quite useless, but somehow this fixes the problem. So if we go now to play, and we launch it again, we'll first launch in full screen again. There we go. No, not interested. Click on play, click on start. So somehow you have to put it another step in it. Whee! Well, this should be required probably. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope to see you back at Paul.com. If you love the work I do, you can always donate on the website, become a premium member and support my hard work. And yep, spread the word and see you back on Paul.com. Bye bye.